Okay guys, good day again to all of you, our viewers. So we have a BMW and now I will teach you how to measure the engine oil level. So first of all, we will go on the vehicle information. So and then press this one. Seconds, vehicle status, yeah, and then go on engine oil level measuring. Just only press this one, press like that. So now the sensor is already to measure the oil level. So this is an easy way to guys. So because this BMW is no dipstick, so this is a you can see only from monitoring. So the radio monitoring. So this is easy way only guys. So again, go back again, go on the vehicle information like this. So vehicle status, next measuring engine oil level, just press only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.